Did you know you can make your iPhone password even more secure by adding more numbers or even letters? And it's really easy to do so. So first, just head to settings and scroll down to Face ID or Touch ID in password. Here, enter your iPhone's password. Then scroll down until you see Change Password. And enter your iPhone password again. So now it asks you to create a new password, but if you click passcode options, you'll see a little menu of different options you can use. The first option is a 4-digit numeric code, which is the least secure, and then a 6-digit code, which is the standard in iPhone now, then a custom numeric code, which allows you to put an unlimited number of numbers for your passcode. The other option, if you click passcode options again, is a custom alphanumeric code, which allows you to use the whole entire iPhone keyboard, including letters and symbols, for your password, which is the most secure.